Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 12th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, IT and technology, metals and mining, FMCG, energy and power, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. SBI dropped sharply -2.84% to 1,066 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SBI Q1 results. Profit rises 10.2% to 21,121 crore Indian rupees. NI jumps 15%. Outlookbusiness.com. Return on equity improvement, now approaching 15%, is the re-rating story that has driven the stock higher. Government infrastructure capex lending is a low-risk, high-volume growth engine. Any NPA reversal or write-back announcement would be a positive. Moving to IT and technology. Wipro dropped sharply -1.56% to 184.60 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Micron Technology stock is cheaper than the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. Here's why I'm still not buying it. Fool.com. AI services revenue, particularly enterprise AI implementation projects, is the emerging differentiation story. The EBIT margin target of 17 to 17.5% is on track. Watch U.S. financial services deal activity as the indicator of whether demand is genuinely recovering. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel edged higher +1.43% to 190.24 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500 weekly preview, inflation data, more tech earnings due. Investing.com. The near-term technical picture for Tata Steel looks constructive. Watch the 197.85 Indian rupees level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to FMCG. ITC dipped -1.21% to 282.65 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500 weekly preview, inflation data, more tech earnings due. Investing.com. After today's weakness, the 274.17 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for ITC. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to energy and power. NTPC dipped -1.18% to 338.45 Indian rupees. This comes as China is now the world's great oil power, The Economist, adding pressure to energy markets. After today's weakness, the 328.30 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for NTPC. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.42, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.